In this video, we are going to see about test on bricks. To find out the strength and quality of bricks, we have to carry out some test. The following are some kind of tests to find out qualities of bricks. The following test is conducted to bricks to determine the suitability for construction works. The first one is the absorption test, crushing strength test, hardness test, and shape and size test, color test, and soundness test, structure of brick, then efflorescence test. The absorption test on bricks. Absorption test is conducted on bricks to find out the how much amount of moisture content absorbed by the brick at an extreme condition. In this test, we're going to take the sample of dry bricks. Initially, the dry bricks will be weighed. It's known as a W1. Then it will be going to placed under a water for 24 hours. After that 24 hours, it will be take and wiped the surface water and it will be weighed. This weight is known as a W2. The difference between W1 and W2 will be the amount of water absorbed by bricks. The percentage will be calculated. The water absorption should not exceed 20% of weight of dry bricks. If 20% is exceed, it is not suitable for the construction work. This image shows that water is immersed in, the brick is immersed in water. Then crushing strength or compressive strength of the brick. The crushing strength of a brick is determined by placing brick in compression testing machine. After placing the brick in compression testing machine, apply load on it until brick breaks. The ultimate will be noted down. The value, the ultimate load will be noted down at the breaking point. This load known as the compressive strength of the brick. Crushing strength of the brick is minimum crushing strength of the brick is 3.5 Newton per mm square. If it is less than 3.5 Newton per mm square, then it is not useful for construction purpose. This image shows the third setup of compression test. Then hardness test. A good brick should resist scratches against sharp things. So for this test, a sharp tool or fingernail is used to make scratch on brick. If there is no scratch impression on brick, then it is sure to be hard brick. Here the surface is smooth. Then safe and size test on bricks. Shape and size of bricks are very important consideration. All bricks used for construction should be same size. The shape of bricks should be purely rectangular with sharp edges. Standard brick size consists length, breadth, height as 19 centimeter by 19 centimeter by 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. This arrangement is known as a shape test. Randomly, the bricks are arranged in lengthwise and breadthwise. After that, the total length will be measured and The average width of the brick will be calculated. Color test of bricks. A good brick should possess bright uniform color throughout its body. It's going to be verified in visible manner. The soundness test of bricks. Soundness test of the brick shows that the nature of brick against certain impact. Nature of bricks against certain impact. In this test, two bricks are chosen randomly and they struck with one another. While struck with one another, the sound produced should be clear bell ring sound and brick should not break. Then it's said to be a good brick. It should made sound as bell ringing and should not break. That kind of brick is called as good brick. Then structure test of bricks. To know the structure of the brick, pick one brick randomly from the group and break it. Observe the inner portion of the brick clearly. It should be free from lumps and homogeneous. The good brick, the structure should be without any lumps and homogeneous and fully compacted manner. Then efflorescence test on bricks. Efflorescence test on bricks. A good quality brick should not contain any soluble salts in it. If soluble salts are there, then it will cause efflorescence on surface because the salts are deposited on the brick surface. To know the presence of soluble salts in brick, it should be placed in a water for 24 hours and dry it in shade. After drying, observe the brick surface thoroughly. If there is any white or gray color deposit, then it contains soluble salts not useful for construction. If more amount of salt is present in surface of the brick, it's not it cannot used for the construction. This image shows that the efflorescence. Yeah, here the salt deposited on the surface on the brick.